Today we're going to talk about conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is an Excel function which allows us to format our data based on the correct criteria that we want in terms of analyzing our data to make it the way we would want it to look like. So in this instance, I have a table here which is sales representatives and the units that each and individual representative had make in a particular period of time. So what I want to show here is how we can use conditional formatting to identify probably units that meet or that are below or above our threshold. So in this instance, first we need to highlight this column, which has our units, and we go to conditional formatting. Then we go to highlight sales rules. So as you can see here, we have number of rules that we can apply: greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate values. So in this instance, we just want to look at one of the rules, which is greater than, which is less than. So if we click this one, it then gives us this pop-up message which says like which number or which amount are you saying do you want to your threshold to compare with. So in this instance, we are saying we want anything which is less than 2000. So we want to highlight those cells which are below 2000. So on our right here, it then brings up a pop-up on which we want to do to our items that we have highlighted, those that are below 2000. So as you can see, it then shows like, do you want to highlight in red, yellow, green, light red fill, take red text? And you also are able to do custom format whereby you can add all these functions. You can bold, italicize, whatever that you want. So if we, on this case, we say okay, it then sorry. So if you highlight here, then you say conditional formatting less than. So in this case, we are saying 2000. And if you say okay, it then highlights those items that are below our threshold, which is 2000. So as you can see in this case, like this representative John with 1.8, George with 1.7, which are below 2000. So that's the function of conditional formatting, which allows us to categorize our data and allow us to do our analysis on our data.